Hey, so, if you want to create clear professional voiceover tutorials without recording your own voice, you can actually do it pretty easily with Dola AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the text-to-speech or voice generator tool. That's where you'll create your tutorial voiceover. Now, write your tutorial script. Keep it simple, clear, and step-by-step so it's easy to follow. You can explain anything, like how to use an app, fix a problem, or walk through a process. Next, choose a voice. You can pick different tones, accents, and speaking styles depending on your content. Then, click Generate. The AI will convert your script into a natural-sounding voice in just a few seconds. Listen to the result, and if needed, tweak your script or change the voice to improve clarity. Once it sounds good, download the audio file. Then you can use it in your videos, tutorials, or presentations. For best results, sync your voiceover with screen recordings or visuals using a video editor. So, yeah, that's how you can produce voiceover tutorials using Dola AI. It's fast, simple, and saves a lot of effort. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.